welcome back to my channel. I sound kind of groggy because I've had a cold for the past week and a half, almost 2 weeks. It's running its end now, so I'm excited about that. But I got a few packages from Amazon that I haven't been able to open. I shopped to a couple of things. Let's go ahead and open everything. So this is my let me pull this up. This is my little stack of boxes. So these are a couple of things I bought, so let's go ahead and open. All right, package one. And these are a couple of, it was really a lot of beauty things. So black soap. This is the first time I'm actually ordering this one. This is the African black soap, Church Win, and enriched with vitamins for healthy skin. So this one, it looks pretty nice. It looks pretty good. I usually buy from like one brand, but this, I wanted to order a smaller one, and this was the one that had it. So black soap. Now my next product is eucalyptus essential oil. This is the first time I'm ordering Evoke Oku, and this is a therapeutic grade, so excited to see that one. Oil. And now next box. Amazon sent me, like, I try to order everything in one box, but it sometimes they have to separate everything. But if you guys have Amazon Prime, which I do, they try to like be eco-friendly and try to get as much of your orders in one go as possible. So they try to send everything, but that doesn't always happen. Like this little box, this whole little box for one tiny little oil. This was my little, this is essential oil. This is the Mahaji. Which one is this? This is Australian tea tree. So this is from a new brand I haven't ordered before, but it sounds good. So this is Australian tea tree oil. Next box, another tiny box. I think there's one thing on here and here again. And this is, let's see. Okay. Again, another one oil, and this is from the same brand again as the eucalyptus oil, and this is lavender. So this is again therapeutic grade, and this is premium essential oil on both of them. Now my next box is this one. I think this has a couple of things in it. Now, not everything was beauty products. This is shea butter. Ran out of shea butter, so had to get some shea butter, guys. And I always get the yellow brick road. I've been ordering from this brand forever, and I haven't switched. I love their shea butter, and I've ordered mango butter and cocoa butter from them. So I believe cocoa butter, but definitely mango butter. Another oil, and this is the jojoba oil. So jojoba oil, another essential oil, well, carrier oil for that one. And last box, this has a couple of different things in it. I told you guys I didn't order just skincare. So for this box, I ordered a couple of things for the car. And yes, so for this box, I ordered, they had a neem oil, which neem oil is amazing for you, by the way, amazing for your skin, your hair. But the other two things are actually for the car. So these are things I have been meaning to get. These are, this is a dash cam, and this is a front and rear camera. So this is a smart driving. Can't wait to hook this up. I'm gonna do it and show it to you guys. And this one is my air compressor. I need this. I'm tired of going to the car or a gas station or whatever whenever I need to put air in my tires. My tires now, they're super brand new, so they're pretty cool. I think this was like $59. I got it for like $25 or something like that, or $29. And this was $19. Usually it's like $40. And this works for car, motorcycle, bicycle, and ball. So pretty cool little smart air compressor. I'm actually gonna open it to show it to you guys. So this is what it looks like. And it comes with a little pin. This is a little bag to store it. having a tough time fighting this. A little baggy. And it comes with the actual cord, extra piece, and this is the air compressor itself, like the little piece to do it. And this is the major piece itself, pretty portable, which I think is really cool. So I can't wait to actually plug this up and use it. And of course all the instruction and paperwork, which I'm actually going to read because I need to make sure I know how this works properly. I'm actually going to open this camera. So let's open this camera. Let's take out the way people drive out here, you need a dashboard cam. Ow, ow. So and pretty cool. Open it up. First thing you notice is this is one of the cameras. This is the front. Definitely, I can see it already. Front camera. Pretty cool. This looks really nice. So I was scared to get a camera on Amazon because I wasn't sure how I was gonna do that, but not bad. This is the front. And pop this guy up. And the rest of it. So this is my little piece to hook it up. And this. And this is the back camera. Okay. Found my back camera. I'm so lost here. This is the one you put in the back. And that's his piece to get hooked up back there. So pretty cool. And of course manual. I'm definitely gonna read this manual because I need to know how to put this up. And extra sticky piece to stick it up. This is my charger. Other wire for this front camera. And my extra pieces to hook everything up. So everything looks pretty cool. Can't wait to hook everything up. Definitely going to read it. I'm gonna try to do this as soon as possible. So that way I'll have my camera up, guys. I have to wash my car next week, so I'll be able to put everything up. But I'm excited to put everything up, and I'm excited about the new oils. Definitely to try them and to use my gas pump. But I'll keep you guys updated. That's it for this morning. I'm about to go get dressed and go shopping at Burlington for a couple of things. So it is super hot right now. I'm outside. If you can see behind me, the sun is crazy. So I'm going to go and try and set up this dash cam so that I can put it up in the car. And this is the dash cam I'm using, guys. Haven't seen it. I have it upside down, but this is the dash cam we're gonna put up. So let's go ahead and try to set this up right now.